So let's start with the look ahead. Forex Factory, right? Tomorrow it is open, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's the 9th that it's closed. Yep. So, right, 9th, Thursday. So tomorrow, ADP farm, non-farm employment change and employment claims both coming in pre-market, right? We got FOMC Walrus speaking, crude oil inventories for some light 1030 data, which won't affect us. But FOMC meeting minutes is at 2 o'clock. So if the market moves crazy going into it, I think that's where we shrink back, right? And they rail everybody. If we kind of whip it and then chill into FOMC, yeah, I could see that definitely. And with the setup, again, we'll correlate that on our major ETFs. Filio, that is on the YouTube video I just posted. If you'll go there, we're doing our recap here. So,
Ooh.
huh? Filio, not Stelio. It's like feeling. He's a very touchy guy. So SPY, right? What are the capabilities here? I think we can draw some lines in the fucking sand, right? 599.75 off of FOMC, which right now directionally that's going to be tough, right? We're breaking back into structure. Our imbalance for today will be our previous resistance, right? So where we broke out of here at 592, that'll be 50% as of now anyway. But I could see a drop into that 581.86. There's no longer a gap there. And because of the lack of empty space on the 24-hour, I see this big green candle. I'm going to go ahead and I'll move down into the 4, right? And here's what, and you have to do this, if you're charting with this system. Time to pop 5. Yeah, my eyes are not red because I'm tired. And not they're also not red because of any other inhalation other than paint. Wait, okay, that sounds terrible. I'm painting my son's room right now. My eyes are fucking.
Yeah, painting.
Stop while you're at
What
it.
they call it
All right,
now?
all right. Can I can't come back from
Sorry,
that.
sorry.
Diabolical. Anyway, we are potentially
execute everybody.
Yeah. So we are looking at a potential punch back down, right? I'm going to look at this level right here, the same one that we held 581.98 or 582, excuse me. That is the 1, 2, 3. I think we're kind of getting in that area where this should break. And what we're going to look at as a target be here. And if you'll notice, if you would listen, listen. If you can afford it, there is a potential gamble, right, on SPY. And it's not a gamble, right? We're never gambling. We're speculating on high probability confluential setups, which also just sounds really cool, right? But to the downside, I think these are pretty good.
I got prep 580s for tomorrow, but
so I'm
570.
Right, but nobody ever thinks it's going to dump that far, right? I'm going to put like $700, $800, $900. I haven't made a decision on those 571s. Those even get to $10, dude. I'm geeking, right? Did I ever go into my Cybertech business? Absolutely not, and it's probably one of the best business
You're talking about tomorrow?
I've ever made. For tomorrow, yes.
That's sick.
Listen, I can afford this. If you cannot, right? This is impulse. The marshmallow is in front of you. All right? If you don't eat it, you can have more marshmallows later. If you eat it right now, no marshmallows later, okay? So make sure that it's within it's within everybody's risk if I'm being honest, but that's what I'm doing. All right, which is not a signal chat. All right, who just raised the fucking
Sorry,
ask?
I caught the tail end of that. What were you doing?
Yeah, so so that's not Why'd we do that?
He's trying to bank. He's trying to bank on an entire market collapse in 24 hours.
It's not an entire market collapse. It's just,
them.
the chart is speaking to
Mechanical.
me. It's mechanical.
Are you doing the 571s for tomorrow?
Yes. You can do 573. I mean, first of
a
all,
whole lot of volume on those.
yeah, well, you know what? Somebody in the midst of me saying that raised the fucking price. So appreciate that, jackass. It's fine. Yeah, so 573's just got more expensive too. Very cool, guys. Zebo, calm down. This is why I'm in the stock market. Just
who it was, dude.
I'll put all of my QILD dividends into this drought game.
I'm already up 200% on my.
Yeah, fuck you guys.
580s for tomorrow.
I can't. I gotta stop. I gotta stop talking about this shit. I really do, bro. Holy
saying
shit!
What I got earlier is up 200% already.
Fucking A. Yeah, these are already. Yeah, the bid just climbed to 4. Very cute, very demure. Appreciate that. All right. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. The alternative to this, right, is a potential retest of 593. So if you decide that you want to hedulate yourself, again, a strong FOMC movement, bounce, and potential, reversal, we stay consolidated in here. That is the alternative. And I know that it probably sounds exciting what I just said, and now there's a damper on it, but that's just the reality of the setup that's in front of us. There's definitely a trigger to break into the lows. I think this fucking floor is exhausted, right? The gap has been filled. I don't see. I mean, look how much volume you took off of that. I mean, you also squeezed out, but every bit of empty space, right? Empty space here, filled. Empty space there, filled. Right now we're leaving behind empty space, and that's where my risk is at. So, what the fuck?
Hey Garrett, can I borrow a couple contracts?
How much are we up already?
Look at that SPY. That thing is just
Bro, I'm
dumping.
50%
Dude.
501s.
Yeah, I'm still holding the Qs, and I'm up a magical 769%.
Robin Hood's bitch ass stopped me out at 3:30.
What the fuck has
Bro,
been this
same.
Monday and Tuesday, bro? I'm geeking. Yeah, you
I got my
guys.
It's
Samara
like
puts.
a super crazy week with Thursday being closed and the FOMC tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Market seems like it's making a lot of the move that it wants on Thursday.
Yeah, you know what? It'd be funny if we made the overnight move priced in FOMC and everybody gets cooked.
It's kind of what it feels like they're doing.
That's what, yeah. Yeah.
Chef,
Yes, ma'am.
Grab them hedges.
if it's okay if we can share another stream.
Oh, yeah. I thought I did that, but I didn't.
No, you're too busy talking about the demise of everybody's 401k.
I'm sorry. I'm Michael Burry. Oh, I'm just kidding.
That's because my wife just sent me her 401k yesterday on how high it was. I'm like, yeah, you might want to hedge it.
You sound high. Sorry. I'm just, I'm just kidding. You sound sleepy. Third screen is up. All right. Anyway, back to analysis. The potential is obviously within all of the other ETFs here for another leg down. Again, if you are going short, maybe hedge. So, all right. IWM is the last one. Now, fuck, is really all I got to say about this one. I do believe that if we trigger, so this is my official price target, if we break, and we're getting awful close or to securing that close, we are leaving empty space above us which they could use to chop the dog shit out of us. We just keep that in mind, right? We know what these pockets of empty space can do. The floor here is 217.61, and that is the obvious first target. Now, if that triggers this, look at that hot dog, dude. There's a lot of there's a lot of dumpage.
I'm only listening. Does he have his pants on?
I never did. All right. Don't clip that, Neil. Oh Lord. Okay, so that is our current ETFs going into tomorrow. If you guys have some requests going into the candle closes here, 24-hour candle closes, go ahead and drop those now. So if you put them up above, I'm going to try and find them. AMD cost basis struggle, slippage on the... Yeah, that looks like you're going to feel your gap. Now, right now, buyers are desperately trying to hold this, which gives you the potential of forming a box. Ooh, my eyes are dry as fuck. I got contacts in too.
Are we gonna be able to trade Thursday? Because the option chain is still showing availability on strikes for Thursday.
Oh, it would be funny. People are trading fucking SPY in the
I mean, it
queues.
does, because you can go like IWM, you can still get the 9th.
I don't
don't
think
know.
they ever adjusted the contracts from last week when they decided to close the market.
You imagine you just buy them and they're just expired. Like that's fuck, and then maybe they go in the money. So this is how I see this. You did punch back through this box. You did bounce off of it again. So underneath 127.17 tomorrow overnight movement. The obvious price target is the gap fill, but it does give way to more. Right. Nice target down below. That is part of an uptrend. Right. And so a price target could be a big fucking day. I don't know. We're going to find out. I clip that. 123.20, right, is the potential here, I think, if we do break underneath that 125.50 gap fill and do not bounce. So, yeah, it is time for a fucking neurogum, isn't it? All right. Move. Stick. All right.
You guys all
AMD.
swinging those 18 Maras still?
Yeah, hell yeah. Absolutely.
Oh,
The hedges, yeah. Why would I have gotten rid
Yep. I'm still holding 30 contracts on those.
oh my god.
You live in New York, right? Peyton's always wanted to go to New York. Give me a reason, dude.
Nah, bro.
I'll put it in my sock. Millie Rock. All right. I don't know.
No way you just said that.
All right. CVS. There's no appeal here for me. It is consolidating on top of the box, right? If it falls tomorrow, we're going to look at a potential cost basis tap there. But I think the bigger story is you popped out, touched some of the empty space. You don't have enough juice. And so 44.84. Or maybe you punch down and make a new low. But this one, it's got a lot of work to do. So.
Crazy person just ran out in front of me with a buggy in the middle of the street.
There's a famous lady in Savannah. There's even a band that named themselves
Yeah,
called Crazy Bag
she's
Lady.
in the buggy.
Oh,
She's sitting in the middle of the intersection.
this is going to be on YouTube. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
So we have I don't know. I mean, without the trend, and the trend's kind of hot dog water anyway. Well, never mind. I take that back. It does have all your touches. Wow, what a nightmare. I think a candle close or open underneath this 72.27. Yeah, that is clearly where buyers have pushed off. And then the price is typically held around 72.50. This is an interesting setup, but I think probably the weekly, right, showing that this candle close right here, green 72.50. If that's lost, that confirms the lower time frame, and 68 would be your target to the downside. J&J, that's not a ticker. Wow.
Had to change my analysis by like 3 cents, didn't you?
Tomatoes, you know. I think the obvious answer here is if Johnson & Johnson beats crap. Not to insult your trade, but I hate it so much.
Good pharma company though.
Oh yeah, so good. 147.21, 148. If you are unsuccessful in doing that, retest 145.19. Cool. The VIX, brother Neil, you want me to chart the VIX? You want me to tag TTI right now? I'll do it.
18 calls.
Listen,
That's all you need.
I was just gonna say when you got it looks good with what we're looking at on Spy, you know?
Yeah, I guess retest of here at the top at 23.21, exploding out of this. Empty space, first target there. Me and him do make fun of people who chart the VIX, so just thanks for
Well,
making
you can make fun of yourself.
That's what you forced me to do. It's all good. Well, 240. 240. Still be my target here for Apple. Yep. 240. Maybe a little cost basis action right here. Hi, yeah. 239.50. All right. Honeywell. Oh, shit. Should probably sell the rest of these fucking Q puts.
Yeah, you're only, what, $5 in the money?
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm out. Okay. Honeywell. Looks like you've climbed back underneath this candle weekly. Not telling me much, but this tells me a lot. You've broken underneath this. You broke out from here. What's underneath you? Virtually nothing. So I could see a nice, it looks like there is a singular floor that I need to change. Oh, yeah, okay. 1, 2, so that would be the only thing. And then I'd be 204 here. Apple BBWI. BBW, is it going to get clapped? Find out. What? Oh, keep it to yourself. You guys are deranged. That's hot. Do you see that? That's a hot BBW right there. Ready to pop. All right. Breakdown underneath weekly 35.50. That looks like an easy short play. You got the curl off the top, the punch down, lose this floor 36.75, drop down, and torque underneath 35.75. Empty space. Cool. CVS. Trash. I did that one. Sure, if it punches down, sure. Yeah, I am swinging. SPY puts. Nothing major. I mean, like, I'm not taking like a core individual stock position. This is purely speculation. I got some juice in it now. Lockheed Martin finishing the fill, empty space, box, cost basis. So, go to the weekly. That's scary, but the reality here is if you punch under this box, you'll have successfully closed back underneath that level. And yes, bad things could happen to Lockheed Martin. CEOs are unloading their stock to pay for more aliens. Look at that. Okay, so factor that in right there. I get scared to take things that have moved that hard. You know, I get scared sometimes. For tomorrow, 571, 573s. Low risk, high reward. Champagne if we win. Ramen if we don't. No, I'm just kidding.
Picked up Fridays for 19 cents.
That's hot. I believe Tesla has a trip down to 383.98. Now, if that is bested, right, and you just dip, which Tesla will fucking do, cause fuck you, right? 362.50, and I know that sounds heinous. There will be a stopping point here at 369.22. Right, so pay attention to that lower time frame box down there, right? Here, right? That's what I'd be looking at. It does look like there's a lower time frame hourly channel right there, and then empty space up above you, box. So maybe we flip it and we reverse it tomorrow. I think that would create a higher time frame. Yeah. Right. But that seems to possibly be breaking. So just keep that in mind. I mean, after today or yesterday and today, I'm good. I could stop for the week. Uh-oh. The kids are home before the bell? We live so close to the school now. Hi, guys. Sorry, I got to say hi. How was your day? You had a great day? Hey, Ellie? Did you leave her at school? Oh, yeah. Okay. Very cool. I'll be off in a little bit, guys. Cool. They had great days. Shoes look sick. Y'all got to see AO's shoes. They're fire. Take it off and...
Something tells me they're Nike.
There's a high probability you're right. Let's see, 4 hour here. We'll wait until I stop recording. Get it right now. $86. Right? You're already bouncing here. You would have a potential retest level above you at 88.98 if that's recovered. Empty space above. So right now, if I was eyeballing it short, right, that would be my target to the downside. But I would be looking for a break. I mean, the higher time frame, you know, there's some potential for 82.50. I would imagine you'd wick down and then maybe try and pull yourself up. Markets are closed on Thursday, Chad. Chad, I appreciate you being in both places. Oh, you're not. It's a mysterious guy right there. All right, SQ, we got 6 minutes. Yeah, can we clone Jimmy Carter? Put him back in office? I don't even care if he has to come back as a baby. All right, HD. We'll raise him like the Dalai Lama. It's hard not to say that this is just going to go to the floor. 4-hour time frame, floor. 2-hour time frame, floor. Shut up. 1-hour time frame. That's trash. That's better. I mean, you're weak, right? You've already bounced like kind of in that area. You know what I mean? So there is a possibility you stay right here, but I mean, I think by tomorrow, which you should be able to see, even the weekly. Yeah, when you look at the weekly, you can see it's kind of pushing off that top. And so, yeah, I mean, that 381.66 is straightforward, and so is 377.40. So, FOMC is tomorrow. We'll be live on TikTok and Discord, of course. Do I have anything going on tomorrow? No, I don't. Yeah, trading. I could party a little bit. All right, what else did I get? The chat got filled up with a bunch of hot dog water.
I believe you skipped my ticket.
Mara?
Yeah.
I definitely didn't. I think I started with it, but I'll do it again. 52.11. I think maybe, dude, I have Alzheimer's or something. 58.85 on the break for Oxy. And I think that would go hand. This looks good. Stelio. Go look at the contracts for $54 strikes. Please. Will you tell me what they are?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, don't type them out, Spartan. I'm lucky that I even saw that thing.
Said?
Huh?
$54
Yeah.
this week is 4
It's
cents.
3 cents.
My brother in Christ. Buy fucking 10. You know what I'm saying?
Or
Buy 10.
Very forbid.
If you don't make that
Yeah,
trade,
just
I'll
raise-
send you the money. All right? So now you don't have to be scared. I ain't even lying, dude. I want you to feel it.
Bro,
Wait, hold on. All right. Hold on. I didn't think about that before I said it. All right. This is on YouTube. Calm down, Celia. You're always saying things, dude. It's crazy.
I got him, Stelia. That's the only. That's my only position.
Yo, Raymond, that was $500. No way, bro. How 3 days ago that was $500?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Patience paid today.
Yes, it did, bro. Congrats. I mean, dude, you just turned $526 fucking dollars, or $2,600, dude. That's absolutely crazy. What's your goal?
10K and then pull it back out and do it again.
Fuck it. There you go.
Yeah, this is why I'll never do a face reveal on TikTok, bro. What the fuck?
What? Please, someone said please kiss Stelio. That's crazy. 204.50 on waste management is cost basis above. You've bounced off the floor. You're retesting the bottom. So if that's punched back, successful move to the upside potentially. All right, if you're gonna hedge Qs, IWM, SPY, because you took it to the downside, you have 17 minutes. All right. Adobe? Did I miss? No, Mara, because apparently I skipped Stelio. Listen, this is the floor. I'm a little teapot. It pour you out 18.15. This is 18.15. $18 whole. The potential. Yeah, I mean that is just. I'd rather take that trade and lose. You know what I mean? Or if you had hedges, let them do their fucking thing. What are we up on those anyway? 40+%. Yeah. Tomorrow, right? Worst case scenario. Don't fucking pussyfoot around with this. This is the plan, right? If we secure a candle close above 1945, what does that word even mean? Right? That's where we can punch back and see that empty space filled up above. So can I look at HKHHY? What the fuck is that, dude?
It sounds like crypto, bro.
Dude, I said that and furniture started floating in my room, dude. Adobe? Did I do that one already? Hot fucking dog. No way. Damn, I was right on that. Long time ago. I'm gonna stick with my fucking target there. Okay. 412.17 stopping point, and then I think you get that whole enchilada. 387. Hey, yo, oh really? What? Oh really, dude? That sounds I don't know if I could let you back in the Discord, dude. What's up, buddy? You did? I'll be off in just a second, man. We can talk about it. All right. Oh, yeah, bell rung. All right, you're locked in. You're gonna hedge anything. Yo, whoa, hold on. Did anybody buy MNMD with me? On last November 26th at 11:21 in the morning. Did anybody do that with me? Not even Cade? No signal? I said it like 3 times. And then we had a whole I talked about, like, I did a whole speech on my friend who used to be in here, and he used to love trading this thing. I was just going to say I'm up 1.6%.
Just reminiscing.
I want you to feel it. Oh. Come on, man. What does hedging mean? We grab a low risk, target-based worst case scenario contract to the downside. So if we have, the majority of our money to the upside, 1,000, if we can throw, knowing the potential of, especially with this strategy of potentially getting 3, 4, 500%, maybe even 1,000 on your runners, or I mean, we hit, basically 5,000% on the MU runners. So, with that, having a little bit of insurance on positions that could potentially. Ivy, why'd you mute Chad? That's Chad from the chat. Ivy's out here.
Sorry about that.
Ivy's out here with the AK, man. Oh,
It's because I've been receiving a lot of Chad's fake account. I'm not sure why.
How does he have
Wait,
fake?
what?
Chad, you have fake.
That's
Chad.
Dude. There's trying. Yo, we have Ivy has turned this into an impenetrable fortress, and it's driving them mad, dude. That's crazy, Ivy. That's how you know you're doing your
I feel
job.
special. I've never been faked before.
Yeah,
I thought
dude.
Chad just liked me that much to send me 15 different friend requests. I don't know.
Oh my god. Chad, who are you, dude?
I will never DM you. I'll never send friend requests.
He doesn't have crypto trading
for over a month now. What the hell?
Yes, we have
Those
been.
fake accounts of Potter that keeps on sending me DM. I comment on their videos, your fake account, and then block them.
Yeah, let me see.
Thank you,
Hi,
Ivy.
baby. I'll be done just a second, okay? Yeah, when I go to the search bar, Potter stocks. Users. It literally you could scroll forever.
But you know what, Chef? I asked my friend who's currently working on TikTok, and they said that you as the real Potter stocks should be the one to report them for
Oh, I
TikTok
try.
to take down the accounts.
Yeah, I try.
Mm,
I'm gonna start doing that now. Report.
I feel like they just make another account. Like you report one and then they make 5.
Yeah, I just gotta spend some time.
Unless
Ivy, I
TikTok
gotta.
starts to IP ban them, you know, they're gonna keep coming back.
Yeah, well, if you like it, you can give me your TikTok account and I'll.
Just go and ban all of them for
I
me.
got it.
She's
I'll
got
do
it. Okay.
You just have to fully verify their account first.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. I did hedge spy. Oh wow! It said you blocked Potter stocks. That's crazy. Cool. All right. Well, I'm holding these spy positions. You know, again, if it dumps to the floor, trim a little, but you know, I know it's a tall order to ask for the market to drop that hard, but I see it, feel it in my plums. All right. Anybody have any questions?
Potter, can you look at Google, please?
Sure.
What hedges did you grab on SPY?
I have, so again, hold on real quick, I'll get to Google. Like I said, there is the worst case scenario, which is a retest of 594. And then I think that, you know, that floor being recovered, you have a box right here, that would lead up to 599. So 599s are potential hedges for tomorrow.
All right, thanks. I was looking at 527 or 597s.
Garrett, I thought you took puts on SPY.
I did. But then I sold them just to fake you out. No, I'm just kidding. I'm hedging.
That's the
Bought him, you all inflated him, and he sold him.
Yeah.
Hey, Potter, is hedging 600s for Friday, is that too far out and too high?
No.
Okay.
As long as it's within your risk to reward.
Yeah.
So. All right. I hope to God you're done. Oh my God. What a meme. Alrighty. What a fucking day, dude. What a fucking day. Wow. Google's fucked. 4 hour. Even the downside's having trouble breaking down. You are underneath that 195. Looking underneath you, there's empty space to here and here. So I can see that gap fill being made, 192. Damn, two strikes off the top. Yeah, thanks. Hey, Chad, per the chat, we've been having about purchasing those supplements. I sent the Bitcoin. Chad, did you receive this lady's Bitcoin for the supplements?
No, I've barely been on the chat today, so.
Oh, this is on TikTok. She still hasn't received, or he hasn't received the supplements. Scamming people out here, dude. It's crazy, man.
And I heard you comment why I wasn't in both places, because when I do that, it usually it's a lag. I hear your voice twice, so I'll usually choose one or the other.
Roger.
But if you usually go to TikTok to support and tap it, you know, pause.
Pause. Okay, so you have a floor underneath you here and here. I mean, dude, this drop right here is pretty gnarly on NVIDIA. If you're gonna keep going, keep your foot on the gas pedal. Do you have a list of? Yeah, there is in the free Discord. 138.90. Right. I see this as, you know, almost reusing this box. So the old cost basis would have been 136.80. If that breaks down, you know, there's definitely room to break down again. But that being said, right, you do have quite a bit of empty space. This is something I would be mapping out on a lower time frame, right? So what is above, what is below? You can see clear levels here. That's 138. If you start breaking underneath that, you have a box here. This is just where a little bit clearer for me, right? Then you have a floor up above you. Here, you have to go and find out what is it refusing. It's refusing this floor. And so that's your play, right? You'd have to watch out for that open and that close. I'm heavier in puts. All right. Cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, Target did some gnarly work, but did drop today back into that box. So I went ahead and called it. All right, I'll finish. I did CVE. Oh, I didn't do that one. Bitcoin. Oh my. Fuck. Damn, oof. If we're gonna dump, boy, we better keep dumping. Foot on the gas pedal. Hopefully tomorrow is that either the gas, because honestly, the reversal could just fucking tear everybody up. In other words, now I think there's a bigger channel there, but not sure where to pull that back to. So something like that, I think. But the long and short of it is this is your fucking floor, and if you decline 4-hour time frame, box top right there, get rid of the higher time frame. What the fuck? Not that. There we go. So
You really charge Bitcoin, bro?
Yep. Underneath 95.3 cost basis. You have the you have the makings of greatness.
Probably Junior took profits.
Listen, my only issue with this is, and you guys know this very well, the empty space up above you, right? That just, I mean, you look at this shit. I mean, you dump really hard, you reverse really fast, dump really hard, you fill that empty space back up. And the only time that you don't is when you keep pushing down. And that basically is calling for, Bitcoin to lose a major support level, which, tomorrow could be that catalyst to do so. But this is the floor, right? And on the 4-hour, it moves to 91.7. So floor 97, 97.8. Recovery, and you have empty space up above you. Do I know Rusty Rod? Yeah, I taught him.
I do. He's my cousin.
Dusty Rod. All right. Yeah, I don't know about long term, bro. I'm not. He has so many screens. Yeah, that's so that he looks cool. It's not necessary. I have 3 screens. I am gonna get a big curved one. Pause. All right. With that, on that note, we're gonna go ahead and stop the recording.
Give you a big curved